Target rings the warning sign for its investors. Finally, we get some more companies just being honest, as they are now claiming they will be taking a short-term hit. We'll see about that, bucko, with this recession looming all over our heads right now. As they aggressively attack unwanted inventory, we'll call it overabundance, because there's a lot of companies that just, a lot of retail companies specifically, that just bought too much inventory last year, or recently, let's just call it. Walmart also had shared some insights stating that they were like 40% over in inventory. Other retailers 50, 60% over in inventory, and no one's buying it. Sorry, I'm sorry to hear that these companies are taking a short-term hit. Have you ever tried to sell something that didn't sell? It was never short-term. Even if you try to give it away for free, sometimes people just don't want it. So what do? You just take the loss? Do they just burn everything? Who knows? We'll see. I think the next big thing to pay attention to for Target is layoffs. Target and other retailers, layoffs. That word is going to be very important. Very, very important going forward. Layoffs, layoffs, layoffs. So make sure y'all do due diligence on layoffs. Listen, Target's anticipated operating margin rate for the second quarter will be around 2%. That's lower than the outlook it gave less than 3 weeks ago. Like I said, they recently had their earnings report and they hit a little skirt. It's like breaking up with a girl and then spinning the block like a week later because you possibly made a mistake. That's what Target's doing here. But listen, they said that the margins will look healthier in the back half of the year. We'll see. I mean, it's going to be interesting. I mean, well, they should because you got Christmas, you got Halloween. You know, a lot of these retailers, they hit big on those holidays. So, but it's clear to say that the retail headaches have been creating a bearish bullseye, I feel like, on the market in general, because the consumer is definitely someone you want to pay attention to. You want to pay attention to consumer spending, how the consumer feels, everything. Patterns, traits. That's how things get moved around and kind of guesstimated on. Guesstimate is about how the consumer is acting. So if we're not spending money on whatever the hell they got, there has to be some transitory. Where are we spending the money, the time? Where is it being spent? Or is everybody just being conservative right now? JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, everybody's been screaming to be conservative. Maybe people are just being conservative. Or maybe people are just traveling. It's summertime. Maybe people aren't buying because they're out there in DR, Mexico, Florida. I've seen a lot of people in Miami having a good time. Maybe that's why they're not shopping. I think the recession is here. You know, these numbers can be manipulated to make y'all think that it's not. But there's definitely some struggles going on. Especially, you got Target stores with 30% signs off in half the store, and then you got other shelves empty. Supply chains are really doing their thing. Who's going to fix it? Who's to blame for all this? Is it the government? I don't know. There's some bad people in some of these positions, but nonetheless, listen, I got these I Need Money shirts, hats. Making these one-of-one I need money because, you know, when the market's down, I need money. When the market's up, I need money. And I always need money. There's never, I don't feel like I'm going to have too much money. Maybe one day. Shout out to all my future millionaires watching this right now. Put a money sign in the comment section below. If you're interested in joining, shoot me a DM on my Twitter and Instagram above my head. I'll get you the details to join. So hurry up, hit me up so we can have these stock conversations, financial conversations, life conversations. We can build this generation no wealth together. You know, that's always the plan, y'all. So hurry up, hit me up because I need this money, y'all. I need this money.